I would like to talk about first Sufism a little bit, about in Turkish perspective of Sufism. Tasawwuf, Sufism is a version of living style, lifestyle, and it gives us more things from religion. If we say that religion is a construction, the tasawwuf is an ornament about that construction. It's like that everybody can believe something in the world, but in that system, tasawwuf gives you another opportunity to live, to look this world. Sufism, in tasawwuf, we can see a lot of tolerance to being insanı kamil, perfect human. With that tolerance, human become real human. Alhamdulillah, we have a lot of Sufi alims, scholars in our history. I'm not just talking about Turkey. I'm talking about Eastern world, and we are looking for the world different than Western people. Our mysticism, our tasawwuf is very effective in our social life. As Ma'am Aisha Masood mentioned that social values and messages of Mevlana and Hazrت Sultan Bahoo. Nowadays, if we are here, they are living right now, and we cannot explain their values with just pour our language. Inshallah, if we able to speak about their exact values, it means that this world will be very beautiful place. And I'm thankful to Dr. Yusuf Mir about his speech, Religious Tolerance and Understanding from the Teaching of Mevlana, Rumi and Hazrat Sultan Bahoo. I noted some of his words. Bahoo said, "Clean your heart because Allah lives there." Unfortunately, in modern world, we forget about that. This heart is house of Allah, and we used to broke hearts, and we used to don't care about that. But Allah is very big, but He can stay in our hearts. We must think about that. In his speech, I noted that that's important to study both Sufis because they teach us about what our religion teaches us. Yeah, as I told you that if religion is, Islam is a construction, tasawwuf is an ornament. As I told my brother that Sema is not a dance, it is a zikr, zikrullah. It's an extra ibadat. We can pray, namaz, we can fast, we must, but we can do extra something about making dua, about making zikr. This is extra. If we can do it, we can earn a lot of things about other world. Inshallah, we can understand value of that extras. Tasawwuf gives us this opportunity. About Ma'am Samina's speech, she told that we need some dramas. We are producing some dramas in Turkey. About Dr. Faisal's speech, he said life is about problems and social issues And if today youth want to solve his problems, they must learn about Sultan Bahoo. Yeah, we can say that same thing to Mevlana Celaleddin Rumi and Turkish Sufi poet Yunus Emre. As you can see that our institute name is Yunus Emre Institute. He is another great Sufi şahsiyet in Turkey, and they lived together for 8 years in Mevlana Celaleddin Rumi's lodge in Konya. Actually, I will mention about this great person in my speech next session. And they are giving the society that being a human, being a mature human, being a Muslim, being a insanı kamil, they're teaching that. And if your youth and if our youth, or we can say that Muslim youth can read about them or can watch about their dramas, they can see a lot of things to be man, a Muslim, and if they can practice in their own life with their words, with their works, they will be maybe insan-ı kamil. Inshallah, these conferences, these opportunities are very, very big opportunity to learn, to recognize, to be in touch with such great personalities. And at last, I want to thank you, my colleague, Miss Ma'am Yasmin Noor, that she gave a great speech about Sufism, Turkish Sufism, and love and divine love. Actually, in Sufism, in Tasawwuf, we say beşeri, about humanity, love, and ilahi aşk, divine love. I would like to thank you, all of my audiences, all of my Pakistani brothers and sisters to listen me. Thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया.